Guys, today I have a squishy vending machine. I made it myself, and this is what it looks like. I will put below who made this one. So yeah, so how it works is there's a lot of squishies in here. And you put your quarter inside this slot, and then you turn this way, and then you get a squishy. So you guys see, wait, hold on. Let me get better lighting. Okay, so you guys see there's obviously nothing in there. See, I could I don't think you can see, but, and then you put this quarter in this slot, and then you just turn the knob, and then as you can see, well, there's a squishy right there. Okay, so how it works is I just cut a big square right here, and then I put tape together and then taped it on. And there's the prize box right there. And then I just used a water bottle so the squishy goes right here, and then when you turn it, you see this hole right here, right there. Wait, hold on. Right here. So when you turn it, the hole comes up. So the squishy falls in the hole, and then you keep turning it. And then it'll fall in the prize box. I have this ramp right here, so when the squishy falls, it doesn't go right where the coin slot is. So let me show you it one more time with the squishies in it and in the back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have this squishy, this cupcake squishy, and I will put it in there so you guys see it's in there. And there's nothing right here. So when you put the coin in, you see the coin coming in right here, right there. So I put it in, and then then you turn the knob. This way. And then it just falls. And then your prize is right here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And I will comment down below what you would like me to do in future videos. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy. Bye.